A few days ago, I was just scrolling through YouTube looking at how people make money online and I found this video. I watched it with amazement. A guy created an alarm app that helps people wake up early using one genius trick. The alarm doesn't turn off until you do a push-up or make your bed. And since it's built on a monthly subscription model, this guy brings in a sweet 5-figure income every single month. And because I really like the smell of money, I immediately wanted to build one myself. But there was one small problem. I know nothing about coding, nothing about app building. Zero. So I gave myself a few days to figure out if I can build my own app using AI. And the end result honestly surprised me. So let me show you what I built. I've got inspired by that video and built a brutal alarm clock. When you set it, you choose a task that you must complete in the morning. Right now we have either push-ups or make your bed. And when the alarm goes off, there is no off button. Instead, the camera turns on and tracks your movements. The only way to silence the alarm is to complete a task, such as doing a push-ups like I'm doing right now. But the best part is that I've built everything with AI without knowing nothing about coding. So if you've ever wanted to build an app but thought that it's too hard and you don't know how to code, stay with me because I'm going to show you the exact tools I used step by step. This will not only help you to create an app for your personal needs, but also at the end I'll show you 3 possible ways to make money from it. And one of them is $100,000 giveaway. Yes, $100,000. So stay until the end. For this build you need 2 tools, Claude Code and Higgsfield. Why do we need that second tool? Well, I was confused at first too, but basically Claude writes code, but code sitting on your computer is worthless. Nobody can visit it or use it. It's like making a good video but never uploading it. And that's exactly what the second tool fixes. Claude makes the app and Higgsfield puts it on the internet. Plus, if you need a video or image generator in your app, it takes it directly from Higgsfield, so you don't have to build it yourself. So just download Claude from this website, connect the Higgsfield MCP to it by going to settings, connectors, add, and copy this MCP link, paste it right here and click add. That's it, simple. Now let's start building. So to create this app, I've used a few carefully crafted prompts that I've put all in this folder. If you would like to download them and use them yourself, I've included them in my new AI school community, which is currently being built. As you can see, it's not finished yet, so it's free for now. And everyone who joins during this early stage of this community will keep free access for life. So I will include these prompts here in the prompt section, and if you want them, you can join this community. I will add more lessons and prompts right here in this community with time. So in the future, I might introduce a small $5 a month fee for new members. So if you're interested, now it's time to join it while it's still free. So with the first prompt, we are not creating yet. We are just explaining the whole idea to Claude. The push-ups and the make your bed missions. The snooze punishment, which adds a few extra push-ups if you press the snooze button, and some more technical stuff. Because if you ask AI to build a whole app in one prompt, you'll get garbage. So paste prompt 1 and Claude will read Higgsfield's instruction and confirm the plan back to you. Then prompt 2, and this is where it gets real. The prompt builds the core alarm, the prototype. The missions won't work yet, but the alarm should already have a sound that gets louder and louder. So as you can see, it also creates visuals and logos through Higgsfield. And here, Claude finished it, Higgsfield deployed it, and we have a working website link that's already on the internet. As you can see yourself, ironawake.higgsfield.app. So immediately I wanted to try it out on my phone to see how it works. So I pasted the link in Google search on my phone and opened the website. So I set my alarm and wanted to see if it really works. And as you can see and as you can hear it actually works. And it gets louder and louder as I prompted. But now I wanted to test it out if it works even when my phone is turned off. And it worked as well. And with this prototype ready and working, I was super excited to paste my next prompts that will build the actual missions. I just pasted the prompt and waited. It finished, so I had to test it out on my phone again. I set the alarm and it actually asked for permission for my camera. The camera turned on and it tracked my body. I did the push-up and it worked. Like that was mind-blowing. So then I continued with the make your bed mission, which basically tells Claude to make a working mechanism where you take one photo of your made bed when you set the alarm, and then in the morning the alarm won't stop until you photograph the same bed made again. So let's see how that turned out on the phone. So I went on the phone, set the alarm, and as you can see, if I press the mission make bed, I need to put a reference image of my actual bed that is made. I just capture, press use this photo, and then when I set the alarm and it goes off in the morning, I need to photograph my bed, and as you can see, the alarm turns off. That's insane. But now we need to make it like a real app. Like, it's not convenient to go on a website to set an alarm every morning. So I put a prompt 5, which adds install button inside website and some more things like sound design. For example, here you can see give the alarm 3 selectable sounds from annoying to unbearable. So again, on my phone, I opened the website, and as you can see, there was a tab add me to your home screen with a button named install. So I pressed that button and the app was on my phone working. So the app was working, but I still didn't have a design. So I went to Hixfield to generate the logo and all the other assets, like a victory screen when you complete your mission. And then I just handed it all to Claude and told him to rebuild the design around this artwork. I changed the name of the app to Brutal Alarm and asked to rename the link of the website. And that was it. Brutal Alarm is live on the internet. Like right now, you can check the link and it should work for you. If you would type brutalalarm.hixfield.app, I think you could set an alarm for tomorrow. So if you'll try it, then tell me in the comments how many push-ups it took you to silence down this alarm. But jokes aside, do you remember when at the start I said that there are a few ways to actually make money from this and that there is a $100,000 giveaway? Well, we've come to this part. The ways to make money with this Claude Code and Hixfield thing. So Hixfield is running an app contest right now with $100,000 total prize pool. So the first place takes $25,000 and 12 more winners split the rest. So your odds are way better than you think. The deadline is July 22nd, so if you are watching in this time frame, go read the requirements and try your luck. Way number 2 would be to create websites for local and small businesses and companies. Just take a look at your local businesses and maybe they need a website. Offer to build it for them for a few hundreds and they'll be surprised that it's that cheap, and you'll be surprised that you made a few hundreds in one day. Now, I believe some people are wondering, but what about your app that you created in this video? Can you put it on Google Play or App Store and actually make money? Well, right now the app lives on the Hixfield's address, so it's basically a website right now, not an app. To put it on Google Play, there are free tools that wrap your web app into an Android app, but I'd also need to pay $25 entry fee, and then it also has to pass Google's app testing. And this combined sounds like an easy enough entry, right? But I still think that it would be better if the app wasn't website based and was built directly as a real app instead. I don't know though if it would have any impact or it would work the same. I'm just speculating here because I'm not an app developer. So if there are any app developers or people who understand it better than me, I would love if you could leave a comment and explain it better for me and for everyone else watching this video. But that's pretty much it for this video. Now look, if you feel that this money making method is not for you, there's something way simpler where you can start making money this week with basically zero setup. I made a whole video on how I use AI for graphic design and turn it into a freelancer cash. No app, no coding, no waiting, just skills people will literally pay you for. So it's on the screen right now and you can go watch it.